Hi my friends, this is Ian at Buildabizonline with a brand new video. In our additional Buildabizonline tools, there are a number of tools that you can use that are not in a category, as in email tools or banner tools and so on. So we have a brand new one for you, and it's called the Mailer Manager. So if you just click on that, and then what I want you to do once you've logged in, I want you to click on here to see how this works. Okay, so this is a mailer manager that you can easily manage your safe lists and your viral mailers all in one place. Okay, so Martin has been working his magic, so please watch his video. Martin has made this one. Let us know if you get stuck. Okay, thanks for listening and bye for now.